Expressions quiz intelligence. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about intelligence. Read each sentence and chose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. They say the new guy has a good head on his shoulders. A is handsome, B is charming, C is intelligent. Answer is has a good head on his shoulders means letter C is intelligent. Number 2. If we put our thinking caps on, we can work this out. A. Use our brains. B. Use our computers. C. Use our headsets. Answer is put our thinking caps on means letter A. Use our brains. Number 3. You're insulting our intelligence if you think we believe in conspiracy theories. A. Fooling us. B. Being foolish. C. Treating us like fools. Insulting our intelligence means letter C. Treating us like fools. Number 4. If drivers aren't on the ball, they can cause accidents. A. Feeling well. B. Highly alert. C. Fast asleep. Answer is on the ball means letter B. Highly alert. Number 5. Are you sure she didn't understand? She's nobody's fool, you know. A. Such a fool. B. Not foolish at all. C. Fairly easy to fool. Nobody's fool means letter B. Not foolish at all. Number 6. Charles isn't the sharpest tool in the shed, is he? A. Is very intelligent. B. Is fairly intelligent. C. Isn't very intelligent. Answer is isn't the sharpest tool in the shed means letter C. Isn't very intelligent. Number 7. My sister's a smart cookie, but she didn't do well at school. A. A clever person. B. A slow learner. C. A hard worker. Answer is a smart cookie means letter A. A clever person. Number 8. My grandkids always know when I'm kidding them. No flies on them, that's for sure. A. They're easily fooled. B. They're not easily fooled. C. They like fooling around. No flies on them means letter B. They're not easily fooled. Number 9. The brains behind this year's best TV series is the writer, not the director. A. The producer managing. B. The banker financing. C. The thinker creating. The brains behind means letter C. The thinker creating. Number 10. We all knew Grandpa was losing his marbles. A. Losing his mental ability. B. Losing his consciousness. C. Losing his valuables. Losing his marbles means letter A. Losing his mental ability. This video ends here about expressions quiz intelligence.